right, this is an unboxing of the iRobot Roomba 675. All right, so we're gonna start by opening it up at the top right here. There is a bit of plastic right here, so just cut through that. On the back it shows that you can connect it to the app and control it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this flap up. I'm gonna lay it down. All right, so that's the Roomba. And I'm gonna pull the slat back right here. This paper on top. This is right here. This is instructions. I'll open this up really quick. Save this for later from the restroom. Owner's guide right here, very important. Read the owner's guide. Put that to the side. And here is the Roomba down here. But before we get to that, I'm gonna show this right here. This is some filter. I think this may be a replacement filter. I believe, I'm not entirely sure. We'll find out soon. And this right here, I believe, is the charger, the sensor right there. All right, it's a charger, base, and on this side seems to be the power cable for the charger. And this, here, nothing else in there, is the Roomba. Gonna go ahead and open that up right there. Pull it out. Right underneath it is the brushes. There's a bristle brush and then there's a rubber brush. This right here, you pull this out and the battery becomes activated. Here's the swivel around thing right here. Here is, flip it on the other side right here. This is, pick it up right there. And right here, this is the bin for collecting debris. Debris goes in there, and there's a filter already in there. So it came with a replacement filter. Put this back together. All right. So this is the device. I'm gonna pull this out to see if it, I'm just not gonna pull it out, just unbox it. Just pull this out and the battery becomes engaged, spinner. So this is the unboxing. All right, so I'm going to be assembling the iRobot Roomba 675. So here are all the parts that came with this. Right here, you have the Roomba, you have the cable to plug into the dock, and you have a filter. Now this filter that came with it is actually a spare filter. Okay, once the other filter becomes damaged or it's no longer able to use, you replace that filter with this one right here. So let me go ahead and get this started. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the charger base. All right. I'm going to take the charger base and I'm going to find the side. I'm going to plug this into the side right here. Plug that in. Place the base right here. And then I'm going to cable right here. You may need to tie this up to adjust the cable so it's not, you don't have a lot of slack going by there. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Now after I plugged it in, I'm going to take this, and at the bottom, if it's a brand new Roomba, it has this yellow pulley thing. Now this yellow pulley thing will activate the battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. A little bit tough to get out. So I pulled it out. And then I'm going to put it on the dock, line it up, and it blinks green to show that it's connected. And if there's battery in it, I guess I can pull it off. And if I want the thing to go directly on the metal chargers are here, see, I press dock and press it again. And it's going onto the dock to fit perfectly. All right. Thanks a lot for watching.